In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webflow account. If you're looking to design stunning websites with ease using a visual website builder, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Webflow's official website. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in webflow.com. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you can explore all the exciting possibilities Webflow offers. Once the page loads, you'll see a call to action button that says it's free. Go ahead and click on it. It's time to unlock the door to your web design journey without spending a dime. After clicking the button, you'll be given a couple of options to create your account. Webflow makes it quite straightforward by allowing you to sign up using your email and password, or to sign in with your Google account, which is especially convenient if you want to keep things streamlined. Choose the option that best suits you and move forward to setting up your account. Now, when signing up with an email, you'll need to create a robust and unique password. A strong password is crucial for keeping your account secure. It's advisable to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Make sure it's something you'll remember, or use a password manager to save it securely. Once you've got that password nailed down, you should be able to log in without a hitch. Upon your first login, you'll be welcomed to your dashboard. This is your main control center in Webflow, where you can manage your projects, explore new templates, or start creating your own website. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout. It's designed to be intuitive, helping both beginners and pros alike to find their way around with ease. To kick off your website design journey, you can start by clicking on Create a New Site from the dashboard. Webflow offers plenty of templates to choose from, but you also have the option of building everything from scratch to tailor it to your specific needs. It's all about bringing your creative vision to life. Now, once you've had a good session and are ready to log out, navigate to your profile account at the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it and you'll see the option to sign out. Always a good practice to ensure your account's security, and remember, the next time you want to log back in, just use the credentials you set up today. There you have it. You're now ready to explore the world of web design with your new Webflow account. Enjoy exploring your creative potential and happy designing.